ladies and gentlemen, we've just hit the first day of the year where it's actually going to be longer daylight than it is dark. So now's the time to start considering having a solar panel installation done. The technology is fantastic and it just works, and it will help reduce or even stop your energy bills, especially on the electric side. I've got some great customer reviews that have enjoyed just running up to the spring months, some great savings, and they've got air source heat pumps running as well. So this stuff isn't a myth, it's not rubbish. This stuff works and it will save you money on your energy bills, not just for this year, not just for next year, but for the next 25 years if you can keep up with that maintenance schedule, and just basically keep them panels clean. These are brand new, these are 530 watts, and these are going to be definitely helping this customer save bucks on his energy. Get in touch.